What'd you say? Hang low. Look at her pants. Let me see her pants. Look at your outfit. Girl, them pants is low, girl. Look at them. Look at them pants. Look at them pants. They is really sagging in Yokosuka, Japan, dog. Don't speak a lick of English, though. You feel me? Give me a high five. Yeah. That's how you know with your ugly ass. Ugly little motherfucker. You ugly? Yes. Jossie, you like a jacket dog? We're doing a little shopping in Yokosuka, Japan. You feel me? Fucking with the Japanese is fun as hell. More videos to come. You feel me? What's cracking? Yeah, it is. Let's put that shit back and go where we supposed to go. You look like a damn fool. Oh. Do the feet. Do the moonwalk. Do the moonwalk.
It's hard to do it.
All right, well, we out. Deuces. We out. Tell them we out.
Peace.